each lesson also has a screencast, and these screencast videos, really, most of them are like 2 to 3 minutes, are really meant to provide you with, if you will, a virtual teaching matters coach. Somebody that says, okay, you're about to teach lesson 1 in Ghost Boys. Here is the student facing content. These are some things you need to think about. Here are additional resources in the teacher pacing guide for lesson 1 for Ghost Boys that you might be able to avail yourself of and use either again in a synchronous session or for additional asynchronous instruction with your students. And so it's really a guide of step by step for how you would implement the lessons in for each book. So each lesson has a screencast. So in Ghost Boys, there are 11 lessons. In Stamped, there are 12 lessons. And in Monday's Not Coming, our book intended for grades 10 through 12. The high school version is, there are 16 lessons.